Hello everybody and welcome to that video. Many times we find ourselves in a situation in which we have a huge table of data, and inside that table there are one or more columns that are filled with data that repeats themselves, like for example the name of a product, the state of our customer, his region, etc. And from those columns we want to extract a list of unique records, perhaps to use it for a reference table with a VLOOKUP formula. In that video, I will show you two methods that you can use to accomplish this task. The first one involves the use of the advanced filter. I know that the advanced filter is not too popular among the Excel users, but stay with me and I will show you its feature. The second method involves the use of the pivot table, which is a very well-known tool inside Excel, and a very well-known tool and a very flexible tool. So we can proceed with the first method, the advanced filter. Here I have a workplace, and here I have a dummy data table, which is extracted from a well-known Microsoft database. You can see here we have more than 60,000 rows of data, and I want to extract a unique record list from the first column of that table, the product category. So first we go into workplace. We select the first cell from which our list will begin. And then we go into data, the data tab. We identify the sort and filter group. We go into the advanced filter option, and the advanced filter box appears. We first select copy to another location. We tell the location in which we want to copy our extracted list of value. We check the unique records only, and then we tell to the advanced filter the lists from which we want to extract the records. We go back into the dummy data table and we select the first column. Be sure to select even the label of the column, otherwise the advanced filter will give you an error. So we are ready and we can click OK. You see that our list of unique records has been created. We can sort that list. So that was the advanced filter method. The second method involves the use of the pivot table. We go back into the dummy data And then we go into the Insert tab and we insert a pivot table. We select, Excel automatically selects the table of that contains our data, and we tell to the Excel that we want a new pivot, the pivot table inside a new worksheet. And for the purpose of that video, we don't need to add this data here to the data model. We click OK, and Excel inserts a new worksheet with a pivot table inside it. And now it is very simple. With the selected cell inside the pivot table area, we identify the product category and we check it. You see, the pivot table has automatically created a list of the list of unique records from the product category column. We copy that list and we go back into the workplace and we can paste the new values. You see, the advanced filter method and the pivot table method have produced the exact same results, but I can tell that the pivot table method it's much more flexible, because you don't need to repeat the advanced filter sequence that we have seen, but we just uncheck the product category and we check another column from which we want to obtain a unique list of records. So you decide which method is the best. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.